Hello Year 4, this is the second part of your lesson for today. So this part we're going to talk about heat gain, heat loss, and heat flow. This is a very short topic. We're going to talk about each topic one by one slide, one slide. So hopefully this won't be that long. So this is page 31 to 73 in your textbook. The lesson objective is to draw an arrow to show how heat moves in a solid. So, ani tsaka pasal heat flow ni. But we need to learn what the other two are. So, we'll learn what heat gain is, learn what heat loss is, learn what heat flow is, and then in order to draw heat flow, we're going to draw an arrow from the hot end to the cold end. So, teacher buat quotation sana. Pasal bukannya semestinya ya benar-benar panas tu benar-benar saja. Ya di mana lagi panas sama kurang panas in this case. So, heat gain. So, heat gain is when an object gains heat energy. So, bila benda itu semakin panas, ia mendapat tenaga untuk semakin lagi panas. So, when an object gains heat energy, the temperature increases. So, for example, ani ada a cold can of soda, kana simpan dalam warm water. So, artinya, the warm water itu memanaskan these soda cans. That means the temperature of soda can increases as it gains heat energy from warm water. So, dari warm water itu, panasnya goes to the cold can. So, the cold can itu jadi semakin panas. That's what it means. So, arah the cold can ini ada heat gain. Same as when you cook. So, sini ada a pan with hot water. So, dari the fire itu di bawah the stove, indah berapa nampak sini. Teacher lukis lah. So, di bawah ni ada fire. So, from the fire, the water ani gains heat from the fire. So, that's another example of heat gain masa cooking. Another example is when the sun. So, the sun is out, ia bagi heat energy. So, the heat energy itu memanaskan the surroundings of the earth. So, that means there is heat gain from the sun to the earth. So, heat gain ani bila benda itu lagi panas. Heat loss. Heat loss terbalik. So, tadi gain macam mendapatkan, loss kehilangan. So, heat loss is when an object loses heat energy. When an object loses heat energy, the temperature decreases. So, as an example, sama macam tadi, we have our cold can of soda and warm water. Tadi, we talked about the cold can of soda semakin panas, tapi sebaliknya, the warm water pun semakin sejuk. Pasal, ya hilang energinya tu. Energinya tu pergi kepada the cans. So, di sini semakin sejuk dia jadinya. So, the temperature of water decreases as it loses heat energy because of the cold soda. So, another example is when you put ice in warm water. So, that means the water loses heat energy and becomes colder. Another example, if you feel feverish, macam damam, yes, jangan macam damam. If sekiranya kamu damam, and then you put a cooling patch on top of your forehead, kepanasan dari dahi kamu itu hilang ke cool pad. So, cool pad ini menyejukkan kamu punya dahi. So, that's also heat loss. Heat flow. So, heat flow is how the heat energy flows. So, ini menunjukkan macam mana pergerakan heat energy itu. So, to show it, you draw an arrow from where it is hot to where it is cold. So, dalam quotation tu. So, sekiranya sini, ini ada cold can of soda, ini warm water. So, if we say, ini sudah dia beritahu cold. So, artinya sinilah di mana hot itu. So, we go from the warm water to the cold can of soda. So, hot to cold. Hot to cold. So here it says heat flows from the warm water to the cold soda. So the arrow ani ia tunjukkan heat flow tuh. Another example, ani ada a candle and then on top of it there's an iron rod. So di sini ya panaskan. So this is where it is hot. So di sini mana ya panaskan. So anywhere away from this is cold. So artinya the heat flows from here going to where it is colder. Okay. So I hope that's enough. I wish teacher could explain arah kamu dapan-dapan, but macam the video hopefully is enough. So this is another example. So there is a tub of water. So if you had to draw an arrow, how do you think you would draw this? Just think in your head dulu, and then I'll give you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is the hot part. So di sini kan dari mana ya panas ata? So that means this is hot. Other places cold. So di sini lah di mana ya cold ata. So that means the arrow should go from down here to up here. Tuna. Okay. Okay, so for your exercise for today is to complete page 34 in your workbook and the worksheet on reading thermometers. So there will be a worksheet, ada banyak thermometer. You have to tell me what is the reading on the thermometer. Jangan lupa your units, okay? If nada units, teacher kira salah to. And then for heat flow, complete the heat flow in solids worksheet. I'll link the video to the experiment for your worksheet for you to complete it. So please watch that video. That's all for today. Good luck with your work, year 4.